Hey, I'm Brian. I'm here at Sunset, and we're going to unbox an Olivetti Valentine. So this is an Olivetti Valentine. The Valentine actually came out on Valentine's Day in 1969 from Olivetti, which is an Italian company. And they chose the red to emphasize creativity rather than the serious monotony of office work. Bridget Bardot was actually photographed with a Valentine typewriter. Richard Burton, Elizabeth Taylor were all photographed carrying them. It was used by the main character in Stanley Kubrick's A Clockwork Orange. David Bowie's Valentine sold at an auction for £45,000, and the machine's actually featured in the permanent collections at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, the Smithsonian Design Museum in New York, London's Design Museum, and a lot more. I'll be using this Valentine on Valentine's Day 2025 to write custom love poems and love letters to anybody who comes to Sunset's pop-up flower shop.